Bedans, I am Fritzen Aldaba and welcome to Tatak Bidista, ang tagapagpahayag ng katotohanan ng San Beda. We begin with the top stories of the institution. This year, the National Bar Examination for Law, the Supreme Court has given us the high opportunity to become the national headquarters of the nation. But as we dig deep to this news, here is Ms. Hannah Arguelles on the scene.
Tayo ngayon ay nasa labas ng Alabang Hills kung saan kasalukuyang lumalabas ang mga bar takers sa first day ng kanilang bar exams ng 2023. Makikita rin natin lumalakas ang ulan ngayon at nandito ang kanilang mga loved ones at family members. Iniintay sila para sunduin sa kanilang very first day of exams. Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, napili ng Korte Suprema na gawing national headquarters ang San Beda College Alabang para sa 2023 bar examinations.
Being chosen as the national headquarters for the bar exam 2023 means that San Beda College Alabang will be at the center of this prestigious legal event, gaining recognition and prestige, of course, in the legal community. This opportunity allows San Beda College Alabang to showcase not only its facilities and capabilities to the general public or to professionals in the legal profession, but also on a national level. It signifies trust in the college's ability to host such a significant event, reflecting positively on its organizational skills and infrastructure.
At bilang paghahanda para dito, ang ilang buildings tulad ng St. Bede Building na ginagamit ng college students ay dumaan sa renovations. Ngunit, hindi lamang ang building ang mas ginawang presentable sa pamamagitan ng fresh coats of paint. Ang mga classrooms din ay na-upgrade. May mga bagong armchairs at glass boards ang kada silid-aralan.
Well, most of the improvements, of course, have to do with the conduct of the exams, which are what the Supreme Court and the organizers of the bar exams require, like for their use, the IT infrastructure. It's very stable, but has become more stable.
Basically, the ICPS department actually support the 2023 bar exam by making some significant changes in our infrastructure. So number one infrastructure is improve the bandwidth up to 600 Mbps. And aside from that, we actually install some sophisticated cameras which will enable us to oversee what's going on in the testing room. But with regards to the system, it's actually exclusive. The system to be deployed will be exclusive for the Supreme Court. And we're not going to enforce that.
Maliban sa mga nabanggit na renovation sa St. Bede Building, magkakaroon pa ng karagdagang pagbabago sa college. Madadagdagan ang bandwidth ng Wi-Fi at ito na ay magiging 600 Mbps. Magkakaroon rin ng bagong PA or Public Announcement System para sa klaro at tuloy-tuloy na pag-anunsyo. Sa 9,183 na bar takers, 3,992 ang nakapasa ng nakaraang bar exam 2022. 43.47% lamang ito ng lahat ng bar takers, mas mababa sa 72.28% ng pumasa ng taong 2021. Nang inalabas ang top notchers ng nakaraang taon ay hindi napigilan ni Attorney Luigi Nico Reyes ang kanyang tuwa nang nalaman niya ang pagiging top 7 dito. Si Attorney Reyes ay isang produkto ng San Beda College Alabang na kung saan dito niya kinuha ang kanyang bachelor's degree in legal management at nag-aral ng abogasya sa School of Law.
Well, of course, I have to start with Oret Labora, yung trademark ng San Beda. Hindi talaga mawawala yan, which is, I try to practice every day that I need to dedicate some time for prayer, for meditation, to look back on the things that happened, and why I'm here right now. And of course, work. Hindi naman, syempre, ayaw naman natin yung puro prayer lang. Kailangan talaga may work tayo. Work for things that we can control, di ba? And what else? Balance and moderation. Balance and moderation in everything that I do, which is, I think one of the teachings of St. Benedict is that God is present in everything that we do. So there should be a balance. You should always keep in mind that everything that you do has an effect on others, on the environment, and especially for yourself. So you do things with that in mind and don't do things in excess. And yeah, that's how I try to live day by day. I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be the person who I am because of the without the college, di ba? Ever since I first entered college here as a legal management student, up to the time I actually entered law school. San Beda College Alabang gave me so many experiences, which I think were very vital in my preparations for the bar exams. One of which is giving me the right professors. I think that's very important, providing you with the right professors to give you the right mindset in life. Of course, providing me with the right students who became my friends and who are now my colleagues in the law profession. That is very important also. And the environment, and of course, the spirituality. The spirituality, because before I actually entered the halls of San Beda Alabang, the spiritual aspect of my life was not that, hindi siya masyado parang important sa buhay ko, which is, dito lang talaga ako namulat when it comes to religion and stuff sa San Beda. For the examinees, just enjoy the ride. You don't have to think of the future that much, because the future is out of your control. Do your best right now on the things that you do have control over. And just enjoy the ride, and whatever the future brings, you'll see it when you get there.
Inaasahan ng Korte Suprema na nasa mahigit 10,867 na law students ang kukuha ng bar exam ngayong taon.
San Beda College can expect an influx of visitors, which will further boost our expertise in the legal profession, particularly in education. San Beda College Alabang will have a unique chance to foster connections with legal professionals, judges, and aspiring lawyers. The School of Law of San Beda College Alabang's ability to nurture such talented individuals indicates that the school continues to be a reputable institution for aspiring lawyers and underscores its role in shaping the future of legal professionals.
Aniya ni Father Rector, hinahangad niya ang magandang resulta ng ating mga bar takers.
I'm pretty sure that our barristers will be successful, and I'd like them to remember that the success that they carry, they are entrusted with a great responsibility. The path to becoming a lawyer is not just about acquiring knowledge, but about embracing a profound commitment to justice, ethics, and the betterment of society.
Ang susunod na schedule ng bar exams ay magaganap sa September 20 to September 24, Wednesday and Sunday respectively. Back to you at the studio, Fritzen.
Maraming salamat, Hana. Actually, Hana, may question sana ako sa'yo since nandiyan ka naman na sa field. Ano kaya sa tingin mo ang feeling ng mga bar takers ngayon after the first day na pagtitake nila ng exam ngayon mismo sa institution?
Fritz, ayon nga sa mga bar takers na na-interview natin, sila daw ay kinakabahan, ngunit sila daw ay handa sa naging exam na kanilang tinake kanina, at sila rin ay patuloy na maghahanda para sa bar exams na magaganap ulit this Wednesday.
Okay, thank you very much, Hana Arguelles on SBCA grounds. And there you have it, folks, all the needed information that you are to be updated on the institution's news. Once again, I am Fritzen Aldaba, and this is Tatak Bidista.